Isa kang magulang, di ba? Natanong mo na ba? Naging fair ka ba sa kanila? Let's go. Be careful, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay lang yan. Yun ikaw nagtanong yan. Maraming magulang nagtanong dyan. Hi.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Just two of us.
Awesome. Have you been here before?
I believe so, yeah.
Perfect. I'll get your phone number.
778.
This?
8. Naging fair nga ba ako? Baka, dahil naitanong mo yan sa sarili mo. Umabot ka sa point na yan. Wala namang may sabi kung ano ang pagiging fair. Wala namang libro dyan nagsabi kung paano maging magulang. Pero dahil naitanong mo yan, tingin ko tama ka.
Perfect.
Also for you?
Yes.
I'll just give you a wrist.
So cute.
Thank you.
There you go. Would you like your receipt?
No. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Tama ba lagi ginagawa ko as magulang? Hindi ko alam. Wala akong ideya. Pero itanong natin sa eksperto. Malay mo, malaman natin.
It is not our job as parents to bring our kids' uncomfortable emotions to a zero. Every time we try to fix our kids' feelings, we send them a message that I actually don't think we want to send them. I don't really think you're capable of coping with this. And I know you're a parent who wants your kid to be prepared for those situations, not being an adult who thinks, I have never had to deal with disappointment my whole life because someone has always swooped in, brought my disappointment to a zero, and replaced my disappointment with joy and happiness.
Pero isa lang masasabi ko. You're doing great. Hanggang nakikita mo silang sumasaya o tumatawa sa harap mo, ibig sabihin, tama ka. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Hindi mo kailangan may parinig lagi na, oh, the best kang parents. Kasi, imposible yun. Walang the best na parents.
Sa lahat ng trabaho, ang pinakamahirap daw ay yung pagiging magulang kasi wala kang pahinga, wala kang sweldo. Tapos wala nagsasabi sa'yo kung tama yung ginagawa mo. Sa akin, isa lang ang sukatan ko. Yung mapangiti ko yung mga anak ko, kahit walang okasyon, yung makita mo silang masaya dahil nagabayan mo sila at nabigyan mo sila ng pagmamahal na walang kapalit.
Hayaan mo lang silang maging tao. Makaramdam konting selos, normal yan. Bata eh. Pero at least, trinay mo yung makakaya mo na maging mabuting magulang. One, two, three, go! Sampai di go! That's good! Kaya saludo ako sa mga magulang na ginagawa ang lahat maging patas lang sa kanyang mga anak. Hindi man ako perpekto sa pagiging ama at ang aking asawa sa pagiging ina. Ang masasabi ko lang, kami kagaya ninyo na kinakaya ang lahat mapalaki lang ng maayos ang kanilang mga anak. 79 o 78. Nawa po lamang huwag kayong mapagod dahil ang ngiti nila ay kayo ang dahilan. At saludo po kami sa inyo at mabuhay po tayong mga magulang.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth and nose.